Just tell me, Karen, have you noticed a difference with how your leg feels?
Oh yes, absolutely. By the time I was driving home, I started thinking, I thought, no, I'm crazy. And then within a couple of days, my leg felt so much better. I always attribute it to my knee, that I've heard it, and because I had surgery years ago, and that the swelling in my ankle was from my knee, and never attribute it to the veins. And it's been night and day. I don't wake up at night anymore.
Oh, excellent. So you had a lot of night symptoms too?
Oh yeah, I wake up and just pain and just have to feel like I have to rub that foot and those bones. And
that's great.
But
yeah,
I never thought it was my veins.
Yeah, so we target the veins that are pooling blood, and we shut them down, so the pressure are less to the leg, and so that's the goal, to help you make your leg feel better and your life feel better too.
And I love the compression socks. I always heard bad things.
Yeah.
I love them. I think I'm just going to wear them all the time just for fun because they feel good.
Right. So yeah, we make sure that they're fitted right, because that can be a problem. But so if they're fitted right, they do the job.
Yeah.